Yeah.
Prabhu, a student of literature, absorbed in Shakespeare and all, he actually breathes Shakespeare.
Right.
At the same time, we are also talking about being absorbed in purports of Srila Prabhupada.
Right.
The effect of that, how is it, how to understand that effect?
The air he breathes is different, the air you breathe is different. Both are breathing. The air is different. I am breathing spiritual chit. It's a spiritual knowledge, energy from the Supreme Lord, incarnation. He is breathing like a paper bullet. There's a real bullet. You are using real bullet. And he is using paper bullet in the paper world. That's all. And taking false satisfaction. That I killed a paper, with my paper bullet, I killed a paper tiger. It is the empty hits, that's all. Meaningless life. Because this material world is a perverted world for perverted rasas of what is in the spiritual world. So like Prabhupada says, these are all meant for people with meager intelligence. Very nicely Prabhupada says. The variegatedness of this material world are meant for people with meager intelligence. Why? Because those who are intelligent understand that these are all reflections, these are all symbols. The real thing is Krishna, real thing is I am eternal servant of Krishna, devotion service to Krishna, Krishna's creation, Krishna, all reality. We are continuously dealing with reality, they are continuously dealing with illusion. Illusion is in the head. They are in this world, devotees are also in this world. We relate in reality terms, they relate in illusion. They project, they take an illusion out of this. Just like out of light patches in a television, you make a story in your mind and you are enjoying rasas. So karmis are doing that. We are saying, no, I know it is light patch. I don't want to create any rasa out of this. Father, mother, this thing, children, this thing, society, social gathering, all this. That story I am not interested in. I am interested in where is the real story. That is real television comes by chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, by hearing all this, through Shabda. The Shabda is a route to that world.